Hello, greetings. This is your Sir Brandon, or you just call me Sir Bren, and I'm here to present system of linear equations. So this will be a refresher course prior to our first lesson, linear programming. Okay, let's start. System of equations take the form like in this slide. You can see in the first equation, ax plus by is equals to c. That is the first equation. And the second equation is a sub 1 x plus b sub 1 y is equals to c sub 1. So here a, b, and c, a sub 1, b sub 1, and c sub 1 are constants, while x and y are variables. This two is called the system of simultaneous equations. So this equation is takes the form of 2 by 2 matrix. So we have two variables with two variables and two constraints, okay, or two equations. There are two kinds of simultaneous equation. First is the inconsistent system, and secondly the consistent system. When we say inconsistent system, if the system of linear equation has no solutions, okay, if it has no solutions. And secondly, consistent system, it is otherwise, or having, if the system of linear equation has only one solution. Okay, the solution here is called the solution set, or the intersection of two lines. There are several types or different methods in solving simultaneous equations na I will demo to you one by one, except for the last one, which is the Kramer's rule, which is a different video or different tutorial video. So first is the elimination by addition or subtraction. Secondly is by substitution method. Third is the combination of two, both the elimination and the substitution method. And then fourth is the graphical solution. So like what I've said, Kramer's rule is of a different lesson. And by the way, the topic on hand is systems of linear equations. I will make a separate video about inequalities as well. Okay, so let's start. So we'll now divert to another program here in Microsoft called the Microsoft OneNote. So yan, Microsoft OneNote. Okay, our topic is solving system of linear equations. So pardon me do sa my penmanship. So just bear with me as I explain the four different methods, okay, except for Kramer's rule and separate for inequalities. Okay, so let's take first the first method. Yung first method natin is the via elimination. Okay, the elimination method. Okay, ang example natin, by the way, so our example for to use for all of these methods is this one. X plus y is equals to 2, and then 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1. So ito po is our first equation, and this is our second equation. So what are we going to use? we are going to use the elimination method. Okay, so elimination method using addition or subtraction. Okay, first we will use the subtraction. Let's say ginamit natin muna is subtraction, no? We use subtraction. So in this dito sa ating two equations, we will subtract x. No, let's say we subtract x. Ang gagawin natin, the first equation will be multiplied by 2. So magiging 2x, no? We multiply 2 to this equation. Magiging 2x plus 2y is equals to 4. So that is first equation multiplied by 2. And then we copy the second equation, is 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1. So first we will use the substitution para to eliminate x, and makukuha natin is y. Okay, so yung second equation natin, so we subtract the first equation by the second equation. So magiging negative, this will become positive, and also this will become positive. Conversely, in result, magiging 0 yan. 2y plus 3y is 5y. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, y is 5 over 5, or y is equals to 1. So meron na tayong y pardon me, y is equals to 1. And then next, we are going to get x. So sa x, looking at these two equations again, since we have gotten y, we will going to eliminate, we have gotten y. So dito sa next procedure, we will eliminate na yung y. So to eliminate y, using, ang gagamitin naman natin is the addition. Anong pwedeng i-multiply sa first equation to eliminate y? So we will use 3, no? So 3 times the first equation, 3x plus 3y is equals to 6. Okay, and then copy the second equation. Yan, we just copy the second equation, and then sabi ko nga, we will use the addition. So we addition as is yung kanilang mga sign. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. This will be cancelled. Then dito sa right side, 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore x is 5 over 5, or x is equals to 1. So our solution set, so ang tawag po doon sa ating kinukuhang solution is called the solution set. Solution set therefore is for x is 1 and y is 1. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so we've done with the elimination method, so it is very easy. Okay, next we will use the substitution method. So next method will be the, so we have the substitution. The substitution method. Okay, and then our example for this is the same, no? We will use the system of x plus y is equals to 2, which is our first equation, and then 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1 as our second equation. Okay, so since we are using substitution method, our first step is to use the first equation. Use the first equation and equate equation 1 in terms of x. Okay, we equate the equation 1 will be in terms of x. So x, we transpose y to the other side, it becomes negative. So we have 2 x is equals to 2 minus y. So this will be our new equation. Let us name this as equation 3. Next procedure, we substitute equation 3 to equation 2. Okay, we substitute the new equation to equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1. Ito po yun, no? Yan. The second equation. So, we substitute the new equation. So, magiging 2. X is, ito, no? X is 2 minus y. And then, negative 3y is equals to negative 1. So now we can solve for y. We can solve for y. So yung una nating process is to solve for y. So we, by virtue of distribution, we have 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2y minus 3y is equals to negative 1. And combining like terms, so itong dalawa, this is negative 5y, and then 4 transferred to the right side, magiging negative 4 minus 4 is negative 5. So therefore, y is equals to negative 5 over negative 5 or 1. So y is equals to 1. Next, so next procedure, yung y is equals to 1. So we have gotten y is equals to 1 back into the equation number 1. So we substitute y is equals to 1 to the first equation. So therefore this will going to give us x. So x plus y is equals to 1 is equals to 2. X is 2 minus 1, which will give us x is equals to 1. So like the first method, it yielded the same answer. Therefore the solution set is 1 and 1. Okay, very easy. Okay, next is for number 3, combination, sorry combination of elimination method and substitution. So we can solve also by using the elimination and substitution. Okay, our example will be the same. We will use the same example all throughout. So this will be our first and this is our second equation. First we will use elimination. Elimination. First, we will use the elimination method. Okay, so in these two equations, we would like to eliminate y. So what are we going to do? We are going to multiply the first equation by 3. So this will give us 3x plus 3y equals to 6. Then we just copy 2x minus 3y equals to negative 1. So we will use elimination. So elimination by addition. This will be cancelled. 3x plus 2x is 5x equals to 6 minus 1 is 5. Therefore, we will get x is 5 over 5 or 1. Next, we will use substitution. So let's go to this other side. Since we are using sa combination of the two, so we have gotten x is equals to 1. So x is equals to 1. So we substitute x is equal to 1 to equation 1. So therefore, yung x natin is 1 plus y is equals to 2. No? Therefore, y is equals to 2. 1 to the other side, 2 minus 1. So y is equals to 2 minus 1. So y is equals to 1. Okay. So therefore, our solution set again is x as 1 and y as 1. Okay. So pare-parehas lang. We always get the same answer. Okay. Last in our lesson is by the virtue of or by using graphical method. So pardon me, no, my throat is always itching. Yeah, medyo I make unnecessary noises. Okay, so the graphical method is the is widely used in linear programming. Okay, so because it will lalo na sa inequalities, when we go to the topic inequalities, we will be also using the graphical method. Okay, let's start. So getting and using also the same problem or the system, 2x plus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1. Okay, equation 1, and then this is equation 2. Okay, so first step for equation 1, so we assign 0 values first with x. If x is 0, yeah, y is equals to 2. Now when we substitute 0 to x here, so y, this is 0 plus y is equals to 2, so therefore y is equals to 2. Okay, and then when we've got y, sa x naman tayo. So if y naman is 0, if y is 0, ang mangyayari, x is equals to 2. Okay, so we have x is 2 and y is 2 using equation 1. So sabi nga natin, this is graphical method. Okay, so we draw the Cartesian coordinate system. This is x, this is y, this is positive y, this is negative y, this is positive x, this is negative x. Pardon my drawing, no? So it is better to use, by the way, graphing paper if you are using your, offline, no? Pag wala tayo sa virtual class, you can use graphing paper. Since x is and y is 2, both are 2, so let us plot this one. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, okay? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we plot the first equation. So, sabi dito, x is 2. Dito yan. Put a point there. And y is 2. Positive y. So, we connect this using a line. Kasi linear siya. So, this is therefore the equation x plus y is equals to 2. Okay. So, done tayo sa first equation. For the second equation, we will use again this procedure. So, if x is 0, so we put x is 0 here, and y will be, the result is 1/3. Okay. Again, we have gotten the y, so x naman tayo. Y is 0, and x therefore is negative 1/2. Okay, so when we plot here in our Cartesian coordinate system, so y is 1/3. So pag y is 1/3, probably nandito, this is divided by 3, nandito siya, no? And x is negative 1/2. This is 1, dito siya. Okay, so when we connect the dots, yan. So makikita natin dito, if this is accurate, no? This is accurate. This will be at the point 1 and 1. So the solution set therefore is x is 1, y is 1. Same with the other methods. Okay, since you are not using a we are not using ito medyo magulo, no? So we cannot see 1:1. To check, no, we can refer to a graphing calculator or a graphing program. So in here, now you can check this one, check this out. We can see the first equation x, now here, the first equation. Okay, you can see the up in the upper right. You have the first equation here. X plus y is equals to 2. You can locate it here, this one, no, the red line. And for the second equation, 2x minus 3y is equals to negative 1. You can see it here, the blue line, and the line and the point in which they intersect is, if you can see this one, if you can zoom this, that is 1 and 1, no? X is 1 and y is 1. So that's it, no? That's it. We have come to the end of our discussion about system of linear equations. Okay, thank you very much, and stand by for the lesson about Cramer's rule and solving inequalities as well. Thank you very much. This is your Professor Sir Bren. Seeing you next time, and always stay safe and God bless.